my channel. It's Nadine. First, I want to apologize because I know I haven't uploaded a video in a very long time. But today I have a very special video just for you. I have a special guest. This is my first time doing this. I have a guest artist in my channel and she did this really beautiful, vampy, but still glamorous look. And this is Vanessa. Come on. Hey guys! So it's me again. She did my look. Maybe you remember her from the ramen video from the spicy noodle challenge. I mean, it's not that bad.
Oh, for it's bad. I look a lot different.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi.
So, yeah. Hi.
Thank you for this really beautiful and glamorous look. Do you want to tell them about this look?
We did focus on the eyes because she has very beautiful, very big eyes, and we did a dramatic eye look with warm colors, reddish colors, and also added a little bit of depth and black depth.
Yeah.
And we did a bold lip because she has very beautiful lips, and we have to put that also in center. So this is the whole look. I think she looks really beautiful.
Thank you. Thanks to you.
Thank you for having me.
So please follow Vanessa on Instagram and subscribe to her YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the links down below.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's an amazing makeup artist. She also does... I'm promoting you. I don't want to stop. She also does bridal and makeup for special events and also SFX makeup. So follow her and follow me and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see how we achieved this look, just please keep on watching. This heart.
So I just mixed two foundations, the MAC Studio Fix C1 and the NYX Tool Control in Cappuccino. Now I'm just blending it.
Okay.
Very light-handed.
How did you get into makeup? Into doing makeup?
I was into makeup like I started with it when I was 16 or 17, but it was a hobby, and I like doing makeup for my friends and my sister and everyone. And when we got out and went to party and tried different things, I always did the classic smoky eye. And then, I don't know, the time came when YouTube started and I was watching all these tutorials and I really liked it, but it was just a hobby. And then I don't know, after some time I realized that I want to work with it because it's fun and I like it and I can't imagine doing anything else. So I just want to make a living out of it. And I really love the reaction from my clients. So if you're doing makeup and they look in the mirror and they're happy and they're like, oh, I've never seen my face like that. So it makes me happy. Now that her foundation is finished, we're going to go in with some concealer to brighten her eyes. So just look up, please. So less is more. I don't like to put a ton of concealer on your face. It will crease and it's not, I don't know, I don't think it's necessary to do that. You see it in a lot of YouTube videos, but...
My pet peeve is when they put the tart shade
yes,
all over. That's so thick.
I can't see it. It's full coverage and it's so much product. It's not necessary to use that much product. So now we're going in with the contour and I'm using the NYX contour palette. I'm always mixing the colors and so right under your cheekbone. I'm always doing like circular motions to prevent that harsh lines or something.
Okay.
That's perfect. Ooh. So I'm always putting something down here.
I love that.
For the jawline. Snatched. So we're going to set her face with the Catrice and translucent powder. So just look up. Now we're going in with the brows, and I'm using the signature brow pencil from Kat Von D. We're just priming her eyelids. So, I also like to set that afterwards with powder. Now we're going to do her eyeshadow, and I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and we're doing like a vampy red dark eye glam. So I'm just going in with the transition color, and I'm using the Morphe G17 blending brush.
You're a natural.
And I'm using this color for transition color. It's called Sandalwood. I'm going in with the next color, no problem. That's called Henna for even more depth. I think I'm going in with Bossy. That's this one. Just mixing the color B and Moon Dust together for a light shimmery look for her inner lid. Just went in with black truffle for the outer corner of her eye to intensify the depth in that smoky eye. And now I'm going in to show you on the other side. So we already applied the lashes off camera. It's a very dramatic eye look. It looks beautiful on her eyes. Now we're going to apply highlighter. I'm using the Glow Kit Sun Dip from Anastasia. I'm loving it. It's very pigmented. And we put a little highlight in the inner corner of her eyes. I'm just mixing two colors, Summer and Moonstone. I'm just mixing colors again. Maybe a bit of the darker one as well. I also use tourmaline and a bit of bronze.
So
everything all together, yes. I'm using the BH Cosmetics blush palette.
Sponsor us, please.
Has really nice pigmented colors. And I'm going in with a peachy orange tone. I'm mixing, I guess, these two colors for her skin tone. So now we're going in with the lips, and I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics. It's called Secret Liquid Lipstick from LA Girl Cosmetics. Now I got it right. So.
You got it.
Yeah. So this is the final look I did for Nadine. It's a dramatic eyes look. Her eyes look really sultry. It's a bold lip. Very dramatic, but you can also wear it at daytime. It looks pretty on her. What do you think, guys?